Natural resources. A natural resource is something found in nature that people can use to meet their needs. People do not make natural resources but gather them from the earth. Water, land, air, sunlight, forests, animals, and minerals are natural resources. They are gifted to us by nature and are used by us to stay alive. Natural resources are called the wealth of a nation because countries with more variety of natural resources like minerals, oil, gas, and petroleum can use them to generate revenue. Kinds of natural resources. Natural resources are of two types: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are natural resources that can be replenished in a short period of time. Renewable resources are also called inexhaustible resources. These resources can be replenished. Sunlight, water, and air are called renewable natural resources. It is interesting to know that plants and animals are also renewable resources. Air, water, sunlight are important renewable resources. Our life is not possible without these. In fact, all living beings required air, water, sunlight to live. Soil is also an important resource because crops are grown in it. We depend on soil for food, clothing, and shelter. Non-renewable resources. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are considered non-renewable because they cannot be created in a short period of time. These are called fossil fuels. Non-renewable resources are available in limited quantity. Once they are exhausted, like metals, coal, and petroleum, they cannot be replaced. These resources are also called exhaustible resources. One of the non-renewable resources, that is petroleum, is also called black gold because of its importance in our life. It is refined to make petrol, kerosene, and diesel. These are used as fuel in vehicles, public transport, factories, industries, etc. It is also used for production of plastics, fertilizers, detergents, paints, pesticides, etc. Oil reserves are also limited. Conservation of natural resources. As the human population is continuously growing, the consumption of natural resources is also increasing. With the increasing industrialization and urbanization of the modern human society, the use of all the resources is rising. If they are not properly used and well managed, a serious scarcity will result. Therefore, we need to conserve the natural resources. This will also upset the ecological balance. Conservation is the proper management of a natural resource to prevent its exploitation, destruction, or degradation. Nowadays, as the natural resources are being overused, Researches are being conducted to harness alternative energy sources. Solar energy is one such source of energy. It is rightly described as a resource of the future. So, we need to conserve our forests and wild animals as our careless attitude has led to the extinction of many species. We need to conserve our natural resources.